Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the LCN. This is their part number, spray paint, aluminum. It has a manufacturer's part number on here, which is 681545. That part number doesn't show up in their price list or the catalog. They just have it as spray paint, either by 12-ounce aerosol can or a case of 6 of these. And they can obviously do their paint in all of the different spray finishes that they do: light bronze, dark bronze, gold, aluminum, etc. Probably black, probably prime coat as well. We'll take a look at that in a moment. So why a video on a can of spray paint? Well, it's just to demonstrate this is what it looks like. And, you know, it's nice to be able to see what you're getting, I suppose. Now, let's switch to the screen view, and at least some value in this video might come from me showing you where the other associated supporting documents would be for LCN. So let's do that now. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Here is the item that we are looking at. Let's take a look at a couple of photographs that I have. There's the can, and then there's the aerosol tip that goes along with it. Now, there's really nothing to say down here except that part number is there, and you happen to have this can in your back of your work truck and you're looking for it. Hopefully this will allow you to find it. There's a link below this video as seen here to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the LCN products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation as seen here, but also a link to the manufacturer's website as well as a link to the full product catalog. Let me show you in the price book where the spray paint is listed. And really all we'll do is just search for spray. Yeah, here it is, spray paint. Here's your part number, paint dot finish. So there you go. Sold as a can. Well, they don't even say that, but you know, $32 list currently, and then a case of 6. Yeah, definitely gonna pay to buy a case of the material. If you're doing more than 2 or 3 closers, you're definitely going to want more than one can. If you're doing a half a dozen, it's going to pay, in my opinion, to buy a case of it. Would be my opinion. There's such a substantial decrease in cost to buy a case of the material. Okay, let's also point out to you there are several encyclopedic documents on this page as well. Warranty information, installation instructions, master index, template chart is here as well, prior catalogs, etc. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. In conclusion, if you have any questions on the LCN can of aluminum spray paint, and this would be meant to match 689 finish or any other LCN product, please feel free to reach out to us. The reason you would buy this and just not run to the local hardware store is you very likely want it to be the original formulation that the factory uses, and that's exactly what this would be. So if you're painting 1 or 2 closers, maybe repairing damage, or, you know, it's a bad example to use, but you need aluminum closers and there's only light bronze in stock, which really wouldn't happen. The other way around, if you needed light bronze but only aluminum was in stock, you'd paint that. And I find that painting closers is certainly very successful. What I would do is I would completely clean the surface of everything I'm going to paint, and then I'm going to a trick that I was taught when I was in high school. Actually, we had a class called model building, and you literally built models. Whatever you wanted to build. A car was pretty common. But when you'd paint, you'd want to move horizontally, but as you paint, you depress, lift. You don't spray, you go. That's how that's done, and you'll get a more even coat, plus you won't be doubling up at each end, so you're not, because you're filling both of those outside points with double the amount of paint. And you'll be able to do that nice. I like to put a very light coat on first, and then go back and do 2 or 3 more coats. Cleaning the aerosol is turning it upside down, and then spraying it is how you clean out particulate from that nozzle. And if you have a problem with that nozzle, don't try to paint through it. Get a new nozzle tip for that. Every time you're done painting, lift it upside down and spray it, and that will clean that out and makes it easier, a cleaner spray when you begin the second time. Just my tips, that happens to be how I do it, and it seems to work for me. Any questions on this or any other LCN product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.